Bürkert Fluid Control Systems. A family-owned German company, founded in 1946. A worldwide leading manufacturer of measurement and control systems, both for liquids and for gases. Our products are used in a wide range of applications. For example, in the medical sector, the food and beverage industry, biotechnology, and aerospace. The company, with headquarters in Ingelfingen in southern Germany, has a widespread sales network on every continent. Bürkert employs more than 2,600 people worldwide. In the Systemhaus locations and research and development centers, Bürkert develops customized solutions and every word that's been said is correct. None of it is wrong or exaggerated. However, the statements do not get to the heart of the matter. They do not describe what Bürkert is really about. The story of our film begins in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Welcome to Bürkert Fluid Control Systems. This is Rebecca Watson. How may I help you?
Rebecca Watson had called me. A customer from the US requested a special version of a valve for a dosing application. Rebecca's customer was from a medical technology company. The valve in its existing configuration did not meet the necessary requirements. I found out that a valve with comparable requirements had once been installed in a system for the UK. First, I notified Rebecca. She would contact the customer to determine whether such a system solution would create added value for the customer.
I'm Darryl Brown from the subsidiary in Cirencester. At Bürkert, we work in the segments water, gas, hygienic and micro. Each segment represents a number of applications that can be employed in diverse industries. If they had one of our system solutions in my pub, I could tap my own beer via Wi-Fi. Juliana Kemmer informed me about the customer from the US. I compiled the required information about the system we had developed for a customer in Britain.
My name is Stefan Müller, and I'm responsible for the Systemhaus in Ingelfingen. A system solution was to be developed for Rebecca's customer with the valve in question as the core of the system. Now, all we needed was a project manager.
I'm Michael Kunz, project manager. At Bürkert, we are in constant exchange. We can take advantage of our knowledge from all over the world for each and every customer.
My project back then involved dairies, but Rebecca's customer was in the medical technology industry. Since we organize our solutions by segments, we can transfer technologies from one segment to another. Instead of milk, blood was to flow through the valve this time.
My name is Thomas Diem. I am a development engineer at Bürkert, and I specialize in electronic controllers. The crucial point in this system solution was the switching time, and therefore intelligent control of the valve.
I'm Ralf Egner, a mechanical engineer. Thomas and I have been working together for a long time. We were expecting Michael Kunz to return from his trip. The valve for the dosing system had already been successfully tested.
But that was only one of the good things we had for Michael.
I had not expected anything else from my guys. Good work and a good meal. Now I would be able to inform Rebecca. The colleagues from Final Assembly would support us.
I'm Annette Kiesling, and I've been acting for 25 years. That's my hobby. The dress rehearsal for me is always a very exciting moment. I have also been working at Bürkert for 25 years. And that's where I want to be. Time was short. But as our company founder, Christian Bürkert, always used to say, where others stop is where we start.
The system was ready for delivery as scheduled. But all of a sudden, there was a new challenge. The customer in the US wanted to have the system installed in India, but had no capacity there. Now, everything depended on my colleague, Manikant Mohandas, our responsible manager for India. Would he be able to organize the installation?
At first, I thought I would have to turn Michael down, because all of our colleagues were involved with other projects. But then another solution came to my mind. Sun Yu. Sun Yu is a service expert in Singapore. I knew that the subsidiary in Singapore had experience with the commissioning of such systems.
I was familiar with the application in which the system was to be installed. So I set out for Chennai. For me, Bürkert is a feeling. The feeling of being part of a big family. The following day, we could successfully put the system into operation with our customer.
That was our story, which has shown what Bürkert is really about. It is about more than just technologies, experience and know-how. It is about the people. Bürkert solutions are used everywhere, worldwide. Probably every one of us has come into contact with Bürkert at some point, without noticing it, without knowing it. We are not always visible, but we are there. Bürkert. We make ideas flow.